Okay, I am making chicken taco meat today. Now, this is not authentic Mexican chicken taco meat. However, it is inspired by the same flavors. It's super delicious, and it's very minimal hands-on time using either the slow cooker or the Instant Pot. So it comes together pretty quickly for an easy and delicious weeknight dinner. So let's start. I've got 2 chicken breasts right here. Usually I use 3, but today I've got 2. So we work with what we've got. It will not affect the recipe. I'm gonna sprinkle 1 packet of taco seasoning of your choice right over on top of the chicken. And then I have 1 can of Rotel that, again, I'm gonna pour right over the chicken. And then I'm gonna top it with a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now I'm gonna cover it and cook it on high for 4 to 6 hours, and then I'll come back and shred up my chicken. Okay, it's much later, it's much darker, and I've gotten dressed, whatever you'd call that, for today. But the chicken should be done. I probably could have gone a little bit longer, but I'm impatient. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna go ahead and shred it up with 2 forks. It'll shred really easily because that's the beauty of the slow cooker or the Instant Pot.
You can find the full recipe for slow cooker and Instant Pot on thelifejolie.com, and like and follow for more easy family recipes.